gentlemen, as we prepare for today's show, I would like to take this moment to dedicate today's event to our friend and our family member, Rob Holland. On Thursday, April 24th, we lost a titan in our airshow world, a 6-time world aerobatic champion, a 13-time consecutive national aerobatic champion, and in the eyes of all, the finest solo aerobatic performer to grace this earth. Rob Holland embodied everything that our industry stands for, and he was constantly pushing the boundaries of what was possible in the air, redefining flight with every maneuver. But more than that was Rob's humility, his passion, and his kindness on the ground that left a lasting impact to every single person who met him. So today, in the spirit of Rob, his excellence, his tenacity, and his relentless pursuit of excellence, we fly. And we fly in his memory. Before every flight, Rob would crack a grin, he'd offer a fist bump and say, "Fly good, don't suck." And that's exactly what we are about to do today. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to look high overhead as inbound the show center are members of the United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights.
I'd like to dedicate this next half here to Rob Holland. Rob is one of the most accomplished aerobatic performers of all time. He'll stand up and for the airshow. His humility, charm, and genuine enthusiasm for the people and plane.
It looks like it might be going that way.
And a close friend. Our hearts are with his family as we honor him today.
It's going this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, in honor of Rob Holland, the F-22 Raptor proudly presents the dedication pass.
To us and our family. Before we turn things over to the Thunderbirds, we have a special salute we would like to give Rob. And momentarily, we're going to invite you, if you would, to join us in a moment of silence and courtesy of Rick Myers, the team with Firewalkers International Pyro. We are going to send him off with a pyro hit, and it's affectionately known as the F-bomb. Rob would giggle at the name, but it's something that he and Firewalkers developed together. We had planned this shot for his performance here this week at Air Power over Hampton Road. This is a pyro event that would create a ginormous smoke ring over the field, and Rob and his friends love nothing more than to fly through that smoke ring, and it's something that brought us a lot of laughter and a lot of joy. In just a moment, we will see this salute, our family salute, if you will, to Rob. And as we get ready to do so, I'd like to take a very quick moment to recognize just a couple of Rob's life accomplishments. A 6-time world aerobatic champion, a 13-time national aerobatic champion consecutively, the 2012 recipient of the Airshow Memorial Showmanship Award, one of the highest honors given within our business. And he was an honorary Blue Angel, an honorary Snowbird, a 4-time Charles Dillon Trophy recipient, a 4-time U.S. Olympic Ladies and gentlemen, if you would please now join us in a moment of silence, and may we dedicate our show and our efforts today to the legendary Rob Holland. gentlemen, our Airshow family tribute. As we get ready to turn it over to the team, I'm going to play for you one final time Rob Holland's Airshow music, because he would want one thing and one thing only, and that is to fly good and not suck. His motto. Nobody else in the world ever came close to the accolades, or ever might will, to the accomplishments that Rob Holland was able to do over the course of his career, and we will miss him dearly. Ladies and gentlemen, a team that he also loved dearly, and here to fly for you today, our United States Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron, the Thunderbirds, are coming up next.
Thunderbird 1 is ready to take up runway. Boss, wind 250 at 15, you're clear for takeoff. Runway 26.